you've got to think for yourself. This is so important. Many of you watching this video have or are in the process of getting a university education from one of the top universities in the world. You'll be learning what great minds of other times thought, and hopefully what the great minds of our time think, and you'll be developing your own great mind. Disagreeing well is at the heart of learning from others and of learning to think for yourself. Groupthink is dangerous and disempowering of individuals. Nuclear disasters have been attributed to people not speaking up for what they see and their opinions. At the same time, we really need to understand the opinions that we're agreeing and disagreeing with. I find it disappointing more and more often that people can't explain more than really simplistically the views that they disagree with. People have strong reactions to views they haven't read. It's hard to form a thoughtful opinion based on a few tweets and other people's views. It's really important to engage with the views that you're agreeing with and disagreeing with, and to find out, ideally from the source itself, what they're actually saying, and to learn how to think for yourself. Disagreeing well isn't just a nice to have. It's essential in shaping your mind and your confidence to share your own truly thought through and informed opinion. If we engage in this deeper way, we'll all become better citizens. If you want to stay up to date with new releases on the Disagreeing Well Skills course, please subscribe to UCL's YouTube channel and also to UCL's Minds newsletter.